Multiple delivery addresses. Multiple delivery addresses is a great feature for trade businesses who have more than one shop or premises. It's all about making it as simple as possible for your customers to manage their orders. So, if you go into the My Account area and then go along to the fourth tab along to My Addresses, this is where you can view all the addresses associated with your shops, and this is where you can add in new addresses. So if we go to create new address, go in here. You can use the autofill facility, or it can use the individual manual inputting as well. I'll just use the autofill facility for now. So if you want to change this to say which shop premises it is, save and update the address, so shop number 8, and that will be updated in the My Address section, which you can see here, shop 8. If you then go through to your shopping cart, proceed through to the checkout, scroll down, you can enter your billing details here, which it will auto-populate, and then if you want to change the delivery address, you can either use the billing information, or if we uncheck that, this is where you can pick from your drop down of delivery addresses. So if you want to send to shop number 4, for example, pick on that, and then it will change the addresses over here, and then you can go through and process the order. Simple as that. So it's all about saving your customers time and you time from having to phone up and specify a delivery address. Thanks for listening to this tutorial from Ecom Silver.